Only dude in the house here, and today I am rotating, actually replacing the tires on the Nissan, the 2014. And long story short, I was able to acquire 4 tires at about 350 bucks, and they came from off a Nissan Milano, so I don't have to change out the tires themselves. The rims are a little bit different. I don't like them as much as the other one, but it's going to save me a ton of money not having to have these things unmounted and remounted. And then plus I can sell the old rims and tires and maybe get back 50 bucks or something like that. So I'm going to work on that. At the end of the video, or towards the end of the video, I'm actually going to show you how on one of these cars, because these have the tire pressure sensor module or whatever on it, and I'm going to show you how to use magnets. Yes, I said that, magnets. It's weird. To be able to reset these, because these other tires should have the sensors in there, and so I don't have to take it somewhere and have them redone. There should be a way to be able to use magnets and the key fob of the car and reset these so that I can use these rims and tires on this car without having to do any changes. So stay tuned. Alright, so I'm going to start with the front tire and start taking these lugs off, at least loosening them up. I figured I'm going to need my cheater bar. So I try to do things simple and cost effective. And for an impact, those aren't cheap. Just use the impacts God gave me. Knees on the floor and everything. I'll take my head off so I can see. Just a little cheater bar. Since I got these off, I might as well check the brake pads and see how they look. I'm pretty sure they're going to need replaced here pretty soon. But these tires, they kept deflating. Oh, there's why they're deflating. There's the culprit. Nail, right there. It could be patched up. There's still just a little enough of tread on it that they could be used. But definitely needs plugged. Oh, brats. My lady cooked brats on the grill for me. Alright. Well, I did an inspection on the brakes, and they look fine. So, they're going to need replaced probably here within the next probably 20,000 miles or so, but maybe sooner. I'd be really bummed. This doesn't match. But I figured it would. Boom. Oh, let's see. Hat falls on me. Boy, they are bad. Heat sakes. I don't know what you're thinking. There's probably still spiders or mosquitoes in here, yes. But at least now they're not just going to keep coming in. Click, click. Torque. Tire number 1 is on. Oh man, look at that. 2 screws. Same kind. And a nail. Wow. So we've got a nail right there. And this is not the same tire. There's a nail right there. So we got a nail. Scanning. And then there's the screw. So close to that sidewall. But that's definitely what was causing our air pressure issues. And again, this one doesn't have too bad a tread, but it's definitely there. It's time to change them. We've had them for over a year, and they were used when we got them. Alright. Bring her down. Click, click, torque. Click, 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 torque. Click, 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 torque. Click, 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 torque. Click, 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 torque. Alright. We're good for this side. Whew. A little tighter over here. It's going to be interesting. There we go. Now, it's all the way back. Here. There we go. It's going to be tight. I have to forfeit the chair. I didn't inspect the brakes on the rear on that, but typically if the front are good, the rear should be even better because all your stopping power is in the front. So I guess I can check on the next one and see how it's set, but they should be pretty good. I guess I probably shouldn't take this off until I jack this up. Yeah, because that's why I'm getting a lot of attention. Definitely didn't respond very well to me doing it that way. Alright. Before I put this on, I'm going to just do a quick inspection of the brakes. Put your pad on there. Let me see this back pad. Yep, we're good. Again, I don't have to do anything for a little bit. Get a couple on them, start snugging them pretty good. Click, click, torque. Click, click, torque. Oh, goodness, I keep getting on the wrong end. Click, click, oops, more. Click, 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 torque. click, 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 torque. Okay. Down to the last one. Room to work. Alright, this tire, I believe, is in pretty good shape.
How's it going?
It's going. The rear one's actually going to be
Huh?
replaced. The rear brakes are going to be replaced then.
Yeah. So you were on the third one?
Last.
Oh, good.
Click, click, torque. Click, click, torque. Click, 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 torque. Click, 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 torque. Well, I know I wanted to show you guys how to reset the tire pressure sensors on this Nissan, but unfortunately when I got to going around the tires, I noticed that the valve stems were different. They don't have the tire pressure sensor in them. So I think I'm going to hold on to these old rims because I like them a whole lot better than this. These things just don't look right, but the tires are fantastic. So for now, we're going to let it go. I took it for a drive and the light hasn't come on at this point in time. And I mean, I drove it for probably at least 10 minutes. So maybe the lights won't come on, but well, I guess when I get a chance, I'll try to find I can find a place where they will actually swap them out for me and mount the new tires on those old rims and get them put back on with the sensors. So anyways, that's going to be it for this video. If you haven't subscribed at this point in time, I encourage you to do that. And then like the video if you enjoyed seeing this. Maybe it's a little bit different, but I'm just going to keep making videos and keep plugging away, and hopefully we'll get up to 500 subscribers here in the next several months, and that'll be a milestone for me. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.